guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to get your computer back to factory settings. So if you need to return it, sell it, or whatever, you guys need to wipe everything clean. We're going to delete all the files and back to factory settings. So down here below, you guys will see this. Click right here. Okay, and then what we need to click is on here. See this settings thing? That settings icon, that's what you need to click on. It's right there. So we're going to click right there, settings. We're going to go into Windows settings, so right here. And then you guys will see this option, update and security. So let's just go right into there. And from here, it's quite easy. We just have to go into recovery. So that's this option here. And then we're gonna restart now. So once we do that, we will see these options right here. And what we want to see in this case is this option right here. That's what we want to do, okay? So just choose that option. Then what we're gonna choose is this, okay? So right here you guys will see reset this PC. So it's gonna let you choose to remove your files, and that's exactly what we want. This option right here, it's a little bit different. We're just gonna do this. It's much easier. So we're gonna go right there. We're gonna do this right now. Remove everything. Okay, so just remove all your personal files and settings, which is exactly what we want to do. Once we click there, we should see a black screen, and then we will see this blue screen coming up. This will not take too long. If you guys have a bunch of files, it might take a little bit longer, but regardless, this has an SSD hard drive, so that means that it's gonna wipe everything really fast from its drive. So right now it's telling us what we want to do exactly, and we want to remove files from all drives, so we're gonna choose the second option right here. And it depends what you guys want exactly, but most of you want this fully clean, okay? Because you will sell this, you will return it, or whatever you guys want to do. So right now it gives us this warning. It's a final warning, and it tells us that yes, it's gonna remove everything. It's gonna remove your accounts. It's gonna remove your apps, your programs, everything, literally everything, including your settings that you made. Okay, so we're gonna hit reset. Alright guys, so after an hour or two, you guys are gonna see this. And this is to set up everything again. So don't go through it. Right now you're gonna have to force shut down. That means press the power key on it to shut it down. And that's on the left hand side. So just hold on to it until this powers off and you're done. But at this point you're done. Everything has been wiped out. Whoever turns this on should see this in order to start up again. And that's it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. By the way, this does take an hour to 2 hours depending. Alright, so just be patient.